Morning. It's early. Bagels. Inflation is high. Don't go to the drive-thru. This is all we need. Okay, let's go. Where's my apron? Oh my gosh, that's so heavy. Where's my apron? I was supposed to get the fruit. Oh. 1, 2. Where's my tibs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm making a well. I hope that's going in the center of the well. One little package of yeast. Again, into the warm water. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Some golden sugar. Start out on the low speed. A lot easier using this, especially early in the morning. You don't have the energy, but I'll bring you in for a closer look. It's incorporating the flour now with our wet ingredients and our yeast. Pulling in all the flour now off the sides, and it's doing all of the work for us. It's great using this, like having a little assistant here working. So, give it a little kiss of olive oil in that, just a little kiss like that, so it doesn't stick. In it goes. Little press. I need a towel, hot water, just like that. Let it go for 90 minutes. It's gonna do its magic. What am I gonna do now? 90 minutes to kill. Ta-da! Knock all the air out of it. Stretch it out because it shrinks. You gotta thumb it. And then stretch it a little bit. So I've stretched these out. Anyway, we've got some right there. Next step is they've got to go into hot water, a little bit of salt in there, 1 minute per side. Then we take them out of the water. We dry them out a little bit. And by drying them out, I mean we just let that water drain away. Now we're going to dress them up and put them in the oven. Perfect. So egg wash. Make sure we get the insides as well. Everything bagel seasoning. And sesame seed. Should have used my dry hand. Okay, in the oven they go. Oh, let's give these a try. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be great. Fresh bagels. Boom! Those are so good. That was so close. Bagels, inflation, save your money. These are so good.